Okay. All right. Now then. Okay. The stupidity of this is freaking ridiculous. This universal cell charger for the 3DS and whatever else XL whatever. It's like it's bullshit. It's like I'm totally throwing this away after this video. Like completely throwing this away. I don't even want to trade it into freaking GameStop because they don't need it. People don't need it. I mean, if you buy a charger and it freaking and it and it only lasts for 2 months, like as though it has like a warranty for how long it'll last or something. You're like, what the fuck? It's like the charger that comes with the 3DS when you buy it. That charger is much more capable than these so-called universal chargers. And now on paper, these are called like uh, AC adapter, AC charger adapter, and like I'm like, screw this. Like it has one of those plugged in. So like you could pretty much plug it in with anything and it would work. But like this right here, well not anything. Not anything. Not just anything. It's like it has to be something like a cell phone. Cause like take a look at this. Take a look at this. Come on. Now I have the cell phone that I'm using right now to make this video. Its charger plug for the plug in the wall is the same. So I could literally plug this in. Wait, I'm using one hand to do this because I have to hold the cell phone. Yeah, you see, I can literally plug this in and use the same thing. Now, the cell phone plug, the cell phone cord doesn't have a problem when I do it like that. Now, my old cell phone didn't have a problem when I did it like that. Now, that shouldn't affect the charger because it's a charger. Okay. Now, this universal charger, the last universal charger I had three plugs into a 3DS system. 3DS, 3DS XL, and 3DS XL Plus or something, I think. And like this one is the newest version with only two plugs. One for the 3DS and the other for the 3DS XL, I presume. I wish I knew precisely, but I presume because I never bought a 3DS XL. And as long as I have my a normal 3DS, that should be set. I shouldn't really need a 3DS XL. A larger screen is useful for certain people, but not for me. So all I'm saying is that like how the consistency of using this thing is ridiculous. It's stupid. It's like it should not just last 2 months. It should always be able to last unless it's freaking broken, like difficultly broken, like a freaking cord on the inside of the plug was pulled or pulled out of its socket or something, which doesn't have a socket in the first place. Now, same thing happened to my other charger because I bought at the beginning of like 3 months ago. I bought it. I bought this. And then I'm gonna tell the truth. I actually left it over at my sister's house and couldn't find it. I couldn't remember that left it over anywhere until my sister called me after I bought a new copy of this. A new copy of this, and it still doesn't last for at least 2 months. It's fucking ridiculous. Game Freak, Nintendo, get whatever company makes these chargers. You need to get your shit together. I mean, really, it's like it's just I'm just throwing it out there that these chargers are crap. If you're gonna sell a charger like the charger that comes in the box when you buy the 3DS. Okay. If you want to sell a charger that's like different altogether and is more useful for the 3DS or 3DS XL or whatever, then I would love to know about that. I would love someone to leave me a comment in the comment section telling me that such a thing exists and leaves a link down in their comment in the comment section, and I would love to check that out. But unless someone does otherwise, which probably won't happen because I don't get that many viewers, but whatever. It's I'm doing this because I like to. So like, not to complain about things. I make videos because I like to make videos on YouTube. I make videos of fun stuff or things that just, or I would just rage, whatever. Anyway, that's my complaint about this charger. The universal chargers are crap. Just nobody buy these. If it only lasts you 2 months, there's no reason why you should buy it. You should buy it on one of the main chargers that comes from the 3DS or 3DS XL or whatever 3DS you have. Those chargers will last far longer. Like when I had my when I used to have my 3DS charger that came with my 3DS when I bought it. That's like 4 or 5 years. 4 or 5 years of that one charger lasting. And it's like, I would love someone to tell me why they stopped working, like so that way I can have at least a logical explanation as to why. But anyway, that's all I have to say about this. Leave a like, favorite, whatever you choose to do. I don't like. It's much more respectable to not ask these things for it to happen naturally. So, have a good one. Peace.